The freedom we forgot to build. We worked for decades, but forgot to design the life we really wanted. We all dreamed of freedom, but somewhere along the line, we traded it for a routine. Hi, I'm Holly. I'm a mom, grandmother, and great grandmother who found myself in debt and seriously unable to retire at 70, sadly to say. I used to believe that if I just kept working, it would all pay off. But the truth, the system was never built for any of us to win. What we were taught, go to school, get a good job, retire one day, right? But no one told us that retirement would look a lot like exhaustion. Here's the truth I've learned: freedom isn't a reward, it's a design. 3 freedom shifts that changed my life. One, I stopped asking, how much can I make? And started asking, how can I make a meaning? 2, I realized the internet isn't crowded, it's limitless. There's room for everyone willing to learn. And thirdly, I finally stopped chasing comfort and started building control. And if you're watching this, maybe you're ready too. So here's my question for you. If you could rebuild your life from scratch, what would it look like? Subscribe and watch my other video called Why Working Hard Might Be Holding You Back. You'll see how effort isn't always the answer. Alignment is. Don't just work for a living, work for a life worth living. That's the best. You're in control of your own destiny. What will you do with it? I'm here if you have any questions at all times.